Hello, today we're going to be making
a bacon, eggs, and hash brown breakfast. So, you need to prep your potatoes for the hash browns. You should do this before anything else. And to prep them, you need to wash them. This, I already did that. Yeah. Stab them. Now I don't know why you stab them, but it's important. You want to get your olive oil and drizzle it in there. I don't know how much. You know what? That's good. Yes. Throw them all in your Dutch oven thing. Put the lid on. And we're gonna go outside to use our outdoor oven. All right. So now, when you're cooking your potatoes, you want to go over to your outdoor pizza oven or whatever oven and cook them. So you put it in here towards the back. Make sure the lid's on. Now there should be okay, that's fine. Just got your coals. Should be around 400 degrees, and wait an hour and then come back to it. So that's it. Now it's been an hour, so if we're just gonna take the potatoes out, and then we're gonna set them aside until we need them for the hash browns. Okay, so with the bacon, you want to preheat your oven to 425, and then lay out a large pan with foil like so. Then take your bacon, right? Then lay it down. You can lay them next to each other, but not on top of each other. Now repeat that process all the way through. Okay, so now once you've got this lined out and your oven's preheated, open your oven, take the bacon, put it in the oven, and set a timer for 30 minutes. Okay, so now when you're cutting your hash browns or potatoes, yeah, we're doing hash browns, so wanna cut it up like this. Okay, so once you got your potato cut up like this, just start cutting the opposite direction. Alright, put your butter on the pan. Okay, so once you got your butter on the pan, I think I might have used a little bit too much. Take your cut up potatoes and just, get them on there. Okay, now you got your raw potatoes. Just move them around in the pan until they look done.
Once it's done cooking, put it on a plate and put it somewhere where it will stay warm. Now for the eggs, you start by putting some butter on the pan and turning it on. Now what you do once its butter is melted, you put the desired amount of eggs on the pan. Now when you broke your 4 eggs, or how many you want, you break the yolk, stir them around. And I asked Gordon Ramsay what he would do in this situation. He didn't get back to me, so you gotta do it by yourself. And you stir them until they look pretty dry. Now that the eggs are cooked and look pretty dry, put them on something and make them stay warm. Perfection.
Okay, so once the timer's up, you want to open your oven, take out your bacon, and set it like so on. Okay, set it like so the grease solidifies at the bottom. Now, once everything is finished, you can put it on a plate and make your desired dish. Now, if you'd like to have a drink with your meal, you can take some milk or some water. If you really can't decide, you can just, pour them together and take a sip.
Mmm. Dogs like it too.